I'm Max Oracle. I'm here in the nature area, and I'm gonna show you the skills you need to get out alive. I've been dropped here in the middle of nowhere, and I'm gonna show you how to get out. Now, this part of nature is especially dangerous because of how cold and snowy it is. This causes it to be cold, making people feel cold constantly. Now, the first thing you want to do when you're stuck out in the outdoors is you want to find shelter or fire. That is the key point to survival. Alright, look over there, you see a natural cave. Let's go to it, that's gonna be a perfect break. Everywhere in nature, you find these concrete caves. They are essential to survival. You see many animals like humans using them. Now, when you're lost in the outdoors, the first thing you want to do is find your way out. And downloading a compass app is the greatest thing you can do for that. So right now, I'm gonna go and download a compass app to find my way out of the wilderness. But I have poor reception, so it may take some time. Dehydration can be a huge factor when you're outside for a period of time, usually around 5 minutes. So I have my own pee, and I'm going to drink it for hydration. It's gonna be delicious. Now, rivers are especially dangerous. You want to cross them as much as possible. I have this giant freaking river I have to get across. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump across it. Watch me. So close. So, once you downloaded your compass app, the arrow is going to point directly to where you want to go. And that, for me, is a nice warm bath. Alright, so I follow. Oh, it's pointing this way. So we're gonna run as fast as we can to the cars. Out in the wilderness for 3 weeks now. I feel exhausted and I want to go home. And that is how you survive! Yes, are you kidding me? I'm kidding.